Question 11. In how many ways can the letter of zoology be arranged? A. 720, B. 360, C. 840, and D. 120. Okay, let's look at the solution of this. Solution. Okay, now we have the word zoology. Zoology. We have the word zoology. Now, by the time we look at this, we can use a kind of a factorial to arrange this, because this is a permutation problem. Arrangement problem is permutation problem. So what I'm going to do is this. We will be taking this to be equals to, the arrangement now will be equals to the letters of zoology. Let's count the letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That will be 7 factorial. Now all over. Now we take the factorial of each of the letter. So if you have, this is Z, only one Z we have there, that will be 1 factorial. Now 0, let's count how many 0 we have. 1, 2, 3. That will be 3 factorial. Now you have each of these letters. This is Z, 1 factorial. If you want, you can continue. 1 factorial. L, 1 factorial. G, 1 factorial. Then Y, 1 factorial. So if you want to do that, you can actually do that, but we know that 1 factorial is still 1, so we just make do with this. So our work here will just be 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial. Now if you are familiar with factorial, you find out that this 7 factorial would have been 7 times 6, just counting down, times 5, times 4, times 3, times 2, times 1. Then we divide this by 3 times 2 times 1. So that this whole of this, we cancel the whole of this. So we are left with just 7 times 6 times 5 times 4. So we multiply that. Now if we multiply 7 by 6 by 5 by 4, we will have 840. So this word zoology can be arranged in 840 ways. So that is how to do that. So if you were to solve this in an exam, I wouldn't want you to go through all this stress, since we know that we have 3 letters that repeated itself. We just have 3 factorial. The rest are 1 factorial. So each of these is 1. So I will just written 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial. And again, if I was to divide this, since I know that 3 factorial will take away from in this 7 factorial, 3 factorial will take away from 3 down to 1, from 3 down to 1, which means we will not be having from 3 down to 1. So I will just be having 7 times 6 times 5 times 4. So if we're solving exams, it has just been 7 times 6 times 5 times 4. And will not be writing all this, so that you will not waste time. Remember, this type of exam is exam that you have to be fast. Accuracy and speed is needed in this type of exam. So the correct answer here is 840, which is option C.